Donya. Order, members.
Mr. Speaker, today we are joyless. That's why you see we are wearing black. Everything that we have worn.
What is on your head is not black?
This one is Ngaf color. Ngaf color. I can define the rest, which we are in black, Mr. Speaker. Everything is black. We are mournful. We are mournful. Mr. Speaker, we are mournful. Women, we are miserable. Women, we are malcontent. Women, we are dissatisfied, Mr. Speaker. Women, we are aggrieved. We are not happy. You know very well our men in the house. When you come home and you find us your wives, you tell us, Mama, bring. We bring. Mama, give. We give. We have never denied men anything that you have asked us, Mr. Speaker. We have never. So we are going home. We will be going for recess, Mr. Speaker. Our children, our men, our elders will be asking, Mama County, what is there for us? They've taken all our money. They've taken everything. We have nothing, Mr. Speaker. We are not okay. We feel that this country is not ours, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Why are they doing that to us,
You
Mr.
have made your
Speaker?
point. Ben Suda.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Order, members. Member for Busia County.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise under Standing Order 83 and 245 on budget monitoring and implementation. Mr. Speaker, the 47 women reps in this country are bleeding right now. All of them have been castrated with a blunt badizo. We usually think on our feet and ahead of the curve by planning. Everybody here plans. And when you plan and somebody comes and puts a hitch, then you have only theory with you, but no pragmatism. The women reps have been deducted 500 million. We do not know what to do, where to start, but we demand that that money must find its way back to the Ngaf kitty. We need also the PS and the CEO for Ngaf also to give us an explanation why things can happen that way, and they have no clue. We are all looking at each other as if they do not understand their role in those offices. So all the 47 women reps are here to demand their right because they were elected to go and represent their people. As I speak now, even the sanitary towels, the money has never been brought to their account.
Take your
the
seat.
Children in
Order,
schools...
Catherine, take your seat first. Honorable, distinguished ladies, you do not make your case any better by being rowdy. Kofi Annan always said he had a soft voice with a powerful message. You can deliver a powerful message with a soft voice. And being rowdy does not amplify your message. Allow, I believe Omanyo is your representative. Allow her to finish what she's saying.
Mr. Speaker, it is not easy. Maybe I don't have a soft or soprano voice. It came out like a bass. But what I'm saying, how do I go to Busia and tell them that I am representing them if the money was stolen and I was seated here acting like I'm sober? Mr. Speaker, I even don't know what to do because I just want to understand. The money itself is meager, very little, that you cannot think to deduct but increase. So we need the women reps, all the women in Kenya, to be represented, to be heard, and we do not want theory every day of women are being empowered, women are being given opportunities, women, and yet it is like giving somebody a present of a goat, but you stick on the rope. We are being remote controlled, Mr. Speaker. We need the rights of all the 47 women reps to be in place like yesterday. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Hasn't she made your case?